You're looking cheerful this evening, Henry. I know. I'm up early tomorrow. I've got to take the Flying Kipper. Man, that sounds like an important job. It is. But don't tell Gordon. But my driver told me that if we pull the Kipper nicely, the flight controller will let us pull the express. Well, that is good news.
Gordon's gonna be more jealous than James when he isn't picked for a special.
I haven't been chosen. I have not been chosen for a special! I know he is. And the special coal they gave me is working well. And I reckon it'll be a nice run. Yeah, I agree, Henry. Have a good run.
Good luck, Henry!
Thanks. All kinds of ships use the harbour at the big station by the sea. There are passenger ships, cargo ships, and fishing boats also come here. They unload their fish on the quay. Some of it goes to shops in the towns, and the rest in a special train to other places far away. The wherrymen call this train the Flying Kipper. Oof, this fish stinks. Oh, it ain't as worse as the time I had to spend that day with Slovene. Henry was ready at 5 o'clock. There was snow and frost. Men hustled and shouted, loading up the crates of fish. The last door banged. Guard showed his green lamp. The Flying Kipper was ready to go. Come on, don't be silly. The van shuddered and groaned. Trot, trick. All right. That's better. Nice running. Clouds of smoke and steam poured from Henry's funnel into the cold air, and the fire's light shone brightly. Let's go, make up for lost time. Yay! They were going well indeed. The light grew better. Signal light shone green as they passed. Then a yellow signal appeared ahead. His driver prepared to stop them, but the home signal was down. All clear, Henry. Let's go. But they didn't know that the points from the main line to a siding were frozen, and the home signal should have been set at danger, but snow had forced it down. A goods train was waiting in the siding to let the Flying Kipper pass, and the driver and fireman were drinking cocoa in the brake van with the guard. Excuse me, but the Kipper is due. Who cares? This is good cocoa. The driver got up. Come on, fireman, back to our engine. They got out just in time. Henry's driver and fireman had jumped clear before the crash, but Henry lay dazed and surprised. The Fat Controller came to see him. Oh, the signal was down, sir. It indicated that it was safe to go. Cheer up, Henry, it wasn't your fault. Ice and snow caused the accident. I'm sending you to Crewe, a fine place for sick engines. They'll give you a new shape and a larger firebox. You'll fill a different engine and won't need special coal anymore. Won't that be nice? Yes, sir.
That's another one for the Book of Rary Disasters. Oh no. I think I'm out of fuel again.
Henry liked being at Crewe, but he was glad to come home. Thomas and Rosie waited to see Henry in his new shape. He looked so splendid and strong that they gave him 3 cheers.
Love the new shape, Henry.
Thank you very much, Rosie.
But not as much as I love you, Thomas. Mwah.
Still got it. Everyone often thinks Henry followed the Express. He does it so well that Gordon is jealous. But that's another story.